Welcome to the Kumaraguru College of Technology, where gaming takes center stage. On the 15th of May, over 700 gaming enthusiasts gathered for the ultimate Intel gaming extravaganza at the SKOAR College Gaming Event. From thrilling scavenger hunts to mind-blowing Intel gaming workshops, the event had it all. The awesome Intel Hardware Experience Zone showcased the cutting-edge technology that powers these games. Students got a hands-on experience with the latest Intel processors and hardware. It was an epic gathering of gaming enthusiasts showcasing the true power of Intel.
It's my first time actually experiencing such new devices. I had fun.
The overall event was very good and we found it really interesting and inspiring to play so many games.
Every game was experienced really well. I could feel the effects in the game. I was into it. So it was really good.
And let's not forget the adrenaline-pumping LAN tournament where gamers battled it out for glory. The energy in the air was electric and the gamers pushed the limits of their skills. Join us next time for more thrilling gaming experiences and unforgettable moments. Until then, keep gaming and let Intel power your imagination.